Let's dive into some awesome tips to supercharge your vegetable garden without spending a dime. Imagine this. You're in your backyard, surrounded by lush greenery, and you've got a basket full of fresh veggies all grown with these fantastic hacks. 1. Compost craze. Picture this, your kitchen scraps transforming into black gold for your garden. It's like magic. Gather up those banana peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells, toss them in a bin, and watch as nature works its composting wonders. 2. Seed savvy. Don't throw away those seeds after munching on your veggies. Nope, save them for next season. It's like getting free seeds straight from your garden. Plus, it's a sustainable way to keep your garden thriving year after year. 3. Rain dance. Why waste money on water when Mother Nature provides it for free? Set up some rain barrels and let the heavens do the watering for you. Your plants will thank you, and your wallet will too. 4. Buddy system. Some plants are like BFs, they just click. Take advantage of companion planting to naturally boost your garden's health and productivity. It's like having your own little ecosystem right in your backyard. 5. Thrifty planters. Who needs fancy pots when you can DIY your own? Grab some old buckets, crates, or even tin cans, and get creative. It's a fun way to add personality to your garden without breaking the bank. 6. Newsflash mulch. Forget buying mulch. Newspaper is where it's at. Lay down a thick layer of newspaper to keep weeds at bay and lock in moisture. It's like giving your garden a cozy blanket for free. 7. Trellis triumph. Give your climbing veggies a leg up with a DIY trellis. All you need are some sticks, twine, or even old pallets. It's a simple project that'll have your garden reaching for the stars. 8. Scrap magic. Did you know you can regrow veggies from kitchen scraps? It's like getting a second chance at deliciousness. Try regrowing green onions from the roots or planting lettuce from the base. It's gardening magic. No Hogwarts required. 9. Pest party. Keep those pesky bugs at bay with homemade pest control. Whip up a batch of soapy water to fend off aphids or sprinkle crushed eggshells to deter slugs. It's like having your own DIY bug bouncer for your garden party. 10. Share the love. Last but not least, spread the garden love. Swap veggies, seeds, and gardening tips with friends and neighbors. It's like building your little gardening community one tomato at a time.